In this video, you'll learn how to create a custom animation of a girl bouncing on a trampoline. We'll show you how to use the touching block to make the interaction between the girl and the trampoline as realistic as possible. First, delete the cat. Select Trampoline from the Sports category of the Sprites library. Then choose the ballerina as a second sprite. Select Ballerina from the People category of the Sprites library. Under the Costumes section of Ballerina, delete all versions of the sprite except A and D. These two versions should be fine to animate Ballerina as she jumps up and down on the trampoline. However, you can of course use the paint editor to change one or more of the costumes in order to visually show the arms to be more raised even higher or lower. Now, let's create the jumping motion. Jumping means changing the sprite's position along the y-axis. Therefore, we need to change the y-coordinate. First, from the Events category, we'll use When Green Flag Clicked. This block starts the script when the green flag is clicked. Then, we'll set the sprite's initial position using go to X as 6 and Y as 11. This block sets the sprite's initial position to X equals 6 and Y equals 11. To make the jumping motion continuous, we'll enclose these blocks within a forever loop. This block repeats the following code indefinitely. Next, we'll program the upward and downward jumping motion using the glide to block. We'll use it twice, once to move the sprite up to a Y coordinate of 100. This block smoothly moves the sprite to X equals 6 and Y equals 100 over 1 second. And then back down to its original Y coordinate of 11. This block smoothly moves the sprite back to its original position over 1 second. Finally, to change the sprite's appearance during the jump, we'll use the Next Costume block. This block switches the sprite to the next costume in its costume list, creating a jumping animation. By following these steps and customizing the code, you can create a dynamic jumping animation for your sprite in Scratch. To make the jump faster, set the glide duration to 0.5 seconds. To make the jump more realistic, we need to add a reaction to the trampoline when it's being jumped on. This means changing its appearance. First, let's select the trampoline sprite. Then, we'll create two different looks for it, one for the normal state and another for when it's being compressed. To create the compressed look, you can simply draw a circle and then distort it slightly to give the impression of the trampoline bending. Now, let's write the code. When the green flag is clicked, the trampoline should start in its normal state. However, if the sprite representing the girl touches the trampoline, Switch the trampoline's costume to the compressed one. To make this happen repeatedly, we'll wrap this code inside a forever loop. By adding this code, you'll create a more dynamic and realistic jumping animation where the trampoline reacts to the girl's jumps. Did you love this video? Show some love by hitting that like button and subscribing. Your support means the world to me. And remember to turn on those notifications so you're the first to know when I drop a new video. Let's keep creating amazing content together.